Alright, I'm at 581 Wedgewood Drive in Avon Lake. This is Sarah Scarvelli. We did a plant install for her last year, and the plants are not looking good. I'm not sure if it's a watering issue, because I see a sprinkler, which indicates that she's not watering down to the root. She's not here at the moment, so I can't really get any details. But we're definitely gonna have to replace some of these. So we've got 1, 2 Weigelia. This job is unfortunately built in Jobber, so I don't know specific plants. So 2 Weigelia, the lavender is good. The hydrangeas just look burnt out to me. We have a lavender that needs replaced. These hollies look good. 6 hydrangeas altogether. This holly looks good, this one does not. So I think these are denzas. Another Weigelia that needs replaced. That lavender looks good. And then these 2 just look like they just need dead growth clipped back. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plants that we're potentially going to have to replace. I'm going to try and get watering specifics from her and see what's going on here, but that's it.